Hi, it's Kat, and today I'm going to be crafting with the Christmas Cuties collection, and for this card I'm going to be using the top set Jingle All The Way. So this one we're going to be making a 5x7 card with an acetate front using the Snowy Flake acetate. So I'm going to start with the cardstock, and I'm going to cut myself down a layer using this portion here with the moon to 3 notches under the 7 by 3 notches under the 5, and this will be matted onto a piece of gold mirror that is exactly 7 by 5 inches, and I'm going to use my construction glue to pop that down. I'm now going to take a sheet of the snowflake acetate, and we want to cut this to 8 inches by 5 inches, and we're just going to bring in our scoreboard with the 8-inch length at the top of the scoreboard. We're just going to score 1 inch to create 1 inch to create a fold to go down the back of our card. Let's fold that over and give it a good burnish down to make a nice sharp crease. So this side of the card, the moon side here, so the left, we're going to add some red liner tape. And this will hold the acetate strongly in place. I'm going to slide this under the little tab that we've created and press that firmly down. Go in with some more construction glue. And then with some plain white cardstock, I have cut another 5-inch by 7-inch section, and we're just going to use this for the back of our card to cover up those workings. You could pop an insert on the back for somebody to write the message on there. We'll just turn this over, straighten it out. So now we're going to take our top set, pop that out of there. I'm going to remove the middle frame, and then we're going to take some strip foam pads, all the way around the frame. So we can pop this onto the front of our card. I'll take the bigger foam pads and just add a couple onto the back of our topper. Place that in there. I'm going to take the red ribbon strip from the topper, and I'm just going to chop a section out. I'm going to place this inside the card just to add a little bit of interest. Just take a little bit more off. We'll put this down with some construction glue. Pop that inside. And then we're just going to finish with a sentiment. So I'm going to take the wishing you the happiest Christmas. I'm going to pop this over here. We're just going to overlap onto the top frame. And we'll finish with a couple of gold gemstones just in the top and bottom corner. And there we have a 7x5 acetate fronted card.